Morning students, welcome back to geography online class. So already I have taught this geography lesson 8, isn't it? Today remaining portion we can learn. Already I mark and give 3 questions. I am thinking so you have learned. So please students study well. Okay, study and write answer. So before starting this today's portion, we can recall the previous portion. In the previous class, in this lesson, disaster management, responding to disaster, what we learned about the earthquake. What to do during an earthquake? If you are inside the house, or if you are in the outside, or if you are in the moving vehicle, like that we have learned, isn't it? And about tsunami also. What to do after a tsunami, or during tsunami what we want to do, like that. Next, riot also, if you are caught in the middle of the riot, what we want to do, like that we can learn in the previous class, isn't it? Today we can learn about fire. You all know what is meant by fire, isn't it? Fire, what do you know about this fire? Fire, here, this is also one natural disaster, sometimes natural disaster or man-made disaster also. See, wildfires occur when vegetated area are set alight and are particularly common during hot and dry period. So, during hot or dry period, in the forest area, the fire will occur. They can occur in forest, grassland, bush and deserts, and with blowing wind can spread rapidly. So because of the wind, this fire will spread very fast. Okay. Fires can lead to the destruction of buildings, wooden bridges and poles, power transmission and telecommunication lines, warehouses containing oil product and other fuel also. It causes injury to people and animals. So because of fire, many destruction will happen. Okay, how it will be damaged? Sometimes it may damage buildings or wooden bridge or poles and power transmission, and sometimes telecommunication line also be affected by this fire. So because of this fire, it will injure to people and animals also. The most common causes of fires are lightning strikes, sparks during arid conditions, eruption of volcanoes and man-made fires arising from deliberate erosion or accident. What was the most important common causes of fire? When it will occur means during the lightning strike. If the thunder, lightning comes means at that time, and the spark also during arid condition, and also eruption of volcanoes and man-made fires arise from deliberate erosion or accident. So, aside effect of wildfires, which also threatens inhabited areas in smoke. Fire create large quantity of smoke. Suppose if there fire means what will happen? Smoke also will come, which can be spread far by wind and poses a respiratory hazard. So, compared to fire, smoke is a very, very dangerous one. On an average, in India, every year about 25,000 persons die due to fire and related causes. Female accounts for about 66% of those killed in fire accident. It is estimated that about 42 female and 21 male die every day in India due to fire. So there is one question also they asked. How many males and females die per due day to fire in India? That is, this is only on an average in India every year about 25,000 persons die. How many persons are dying? 25,000 due to fire and related causes. Female for about 66% of those killed in fire accident. It is estimated that about 42 female and 21 males die every day in India due to fire. So listen, smoke kill more than fire. Because of this, what will happen? Respiratory hazard will occur. Next one, fire safety do's and don'ts. What are the things, if suppose if fire catch means, what are the things we want to do and what are the things we should not do? First one, know your building's evacuation plan. First, suppose if fire caught means we want to know the place, how we want to escape. Where is the place? Like that we want to know. Next, evacuate calmly and quickly whenever a fire alarm or carbon monoxide alarm sounds. Before opening a door, feel it with the back of your hand. If the door is hot, do not open it. Next, if you encounter smoke during your evacuation, stay low to the floor. Know the outside rally point for your building. Know the location of fire extinguishers, fire alarm pull station and exist. This is also one of the important question. That is Roman number 3, question number 4. Write 3 sentences about what to do during fire. Write any 3 sentences about what to do during fire. During fire, what we want to do? We want to evacuate calmly and quickly whenever a fire alarm or carbon monoxide alarm sounds. Before opening a door, feel it with the back of your hand. If the door is hot, do not open it. And if you encounter smoke during your evacuation, stay low to the floor. Know the outside rally point for your buildings. Next, know the location of fire extinguisher, fire alarm pull station and exist. Okay, there is one activity also. See, suppose if you are inside a building or inside one room, suppose fire caught means what you want to do means to escape a fire, stop, drop and roll. In case your cloth burn, suppose if in your cloth fire caught means what you want to do? Stop running. We should not run. Why we should not run? Do you know? Because of this scare, the fire will caught more. So we should not run. We want to stop running, drop on the floor and roll to stop the fire spreading. We want to roll on the floor. Do you understand? Next one, what you should do during a fire. Stay calm, pull the nearest fire alarm or call 112. Give your name and location of the fire. Do not hang up until the police dispatcher tells you to do so. Leave the building immediately. Inform others as you pass them to leave the building immediately. Walk, don't run to the nearest exit. Never use elevators. An elevator may become a trap. Okay, so we should not run while the fire catch. Okay, this is very important. Next one, I'll take page number 234. Page number 234. Choose the correct answer. Choose the correct answer. Here only little portion, 5 choose only. First one, one among the following yes, choose the correct answer. First one among the following is not the first responder in case of a disaster. This one correct answer is option C, insurance agent. One among the following is not the fire responder in case of a disaster. Police officer, firefighters, insurance agent, emergency medical technicians. So it is the correct answer, insurance agent. Second one, drop, cover, hold is a mock drill, a vowel for. Which one for? Fire, earthquake, tsunami, riot. Drop, cover, hold is a mock drill, a vowel for Option B, earthquake is the correct answer. Third one, do you know what is the mock drill for fire? For fire, stop, drop and roll. Okay, stop, drop and roll. So drop, cover and hold is the mock drill for the earthquake. Third one, when you happen to see a fire break out, you will make a call to 112. Okay, which is the correct answer? Option B, 112. Fourth one, which of the following statement is untrue? You want to read the question carefully, which is not true, untrue. Option C. Option C is the correct answer. If sea water recedes back, run to higher place in for flood. Okay, next fifth one. Which of the following statement belong to responding to earthquake? Here also option C. Stay away from glass, windows, outside doors and walls and anything that could fall. That is the correct answer. Next, answer in brief. Answer in brief. Already I have given 4 questions, isn't it? 1, 2, 3 and 5. Fifth question also I have given. Today only 4th question. How many males and females die per day due to fire in India? This page number 233. Page number 233. Under the heading fire, 5th para. Under the heading fire, 5th para. On an average, in India, every year about 25,000 persons die due to fires and related causes. Female accounts for about 66% of those killed in fire accident. It is estimated that about 42 females and 21 males die every year in India due to fire. This is the correct answer. Okay. So once again I am reading, how many males and females die per day due to fire in India? On an average in India, every year about 25,000 persons die due to fires and related causes. Female accounts for about 66% of those killed in fire accident. It is estimated that about 42 females and 21 males die every day in India due to fire. Okay. Next, answer in paragraph. I have given 3 questions, isn't it? 1, 2 and 3. Today, that 4th question. Write 3 sentences about what to do during fire. That is page number 234. Page number 234. Write 3 sentences about what to do during fire. Under the heading, page number 234, under the heading, fire safety, do's and don'ts. Fire safety, do's and don'ts. Know your buildings. Evacuation plan. First point on it. Second point, third point, fourth point, and 5th point. Okay. Second point. Evacuate calmly and quickly whenever a fire alarm or carbon monoxide alarm sounds. Third one. Next, before opening a door, feel it with the back of your hand. If the door is hot, do not open it. Next, if you encounter smoke during your evacuation, stay low to the floor. Know the outside rally point for your building. That's all. Okay. So today I have given 5 choose and 1 answer in brief and 1 answer in paragraph. So please students, study portion is this one. Study and write and see in your long size note. Okay. Thank you students.